Good morning, class. Today is Monday, 6 April 2020. Online lesson number 5, Learning Zone, Unit 5, Lesson F, Grammar Zone, Simple Past Tense. In our student books, on page 68. Let's begin. On page 68, we will be studying our grammar lesson for Unit 5. In this lesson, we will study simple past tense verbs. We will take a look at both regular and irregular verbs and how simple past tense is formed. We will be studying this grammar point for at least 2 days. After listening, we will do some exercises as always. Let's begin by having a few definitions that will help us through our lesson today. First, simple past tense. The simple past tense, also called past simple, is a verb tense that is used to show that a completed action took place at a specific time in the past. In other words, something that we did happened yesterday. It is over and complete. Regular verbs follow rules. We simply add ed or d to the verb to form simple past tense. The spelling of the verb does not change. Examples: walk, base verb, walked, W-A-L-K-E-D, simple past tense. Explore, base verb, explored, E-X-P-L-O-R-E-D, simple past tense. Irregular verbs do not follow rules. We do not add ed or d. The spelling changes. Examples: have, base verb, had, simple past tense. Drive, base verb, drove, simple past tense. We just have to memorize these irregular verbs. And with practice, they become second nature to us. Okay, let's move on. We can now turn to page 68 in our student books, and here we have lesson F. And let me read over it quickly. Verbs are regular or irregular in the simple past tense. Regular verbs follow patterns or rules. Irregular verbs don't follow patterns or rules. To form the simple past tense of most regular verbs, add ed or d. Explore, explored. Walk, walked. Discover, discovered. To form the simple past tense of irregular verbs, do not add ed or d. The past forms have to be memorized. Have, had, swim, swam, give, gave, go, went. Let's learn a little more about simple past forms. Just to review, the simple past is formed using the verb plus ed or d for regular verbs. There are many irregular past forms which we have spoken about, and I've included a list on the next page of the 15 most common irregular verbs for you to look at and study. Now, questions are made with did, and negative forms are made with did not. So, example of a statement: you called Debbie. called, C-A-L-L-E-D, simple past tense of a regular verb. To form a question, did you call Debbie? To form a negative statement, you did not call Debbie. Okay, now we can just think about this a little bit. This goes beyond our lesson, but it's important for you to understand that there are three forms: statements, questions, and negative statements. Okay, let's move on. Class, here is our list of the 15 most common irregular verbs in past simple tense. I'm not sure I need to read all of these, but I might as well. Say, said. Make, made. Go, went. Take, took. Come, came. Know, knew. Get, got. Give, gave. Find, found. Think, thought. Tell, told. Become, became. Show, showed. Leave, left. Very good. Let's move on. Let's do some exercises. In our student book, page 68, parts 1 and 2. Please complete the exercises in your books. When you are finished, as always, take a picture of them and post it on your portfolio page in our Dojo classroom, or send it to me on our messenger page and I will post it for you. Okay, let's take a few minutes and do these exercises, and then we will move on. And finally, class, once you have completed your exercises on page 68, again, post them to me however you like. For homework, in your notebooks, write 10 sentences in simple past tense. Use any verbs you like, but be sure your spelling and grammar are correct. And of course, when you are finished, post them to me either on your portfolio page or on our messenger page. Class, that is our lesson for today. As always, I will be online until 10:30 to assist you in any way I can, and I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye, class.